In this video, I will show you how to create a seller account on the Fiverr app. So what we are going to do is first open up the Fiverr app, and now once you click on account in the bottom right, you will see right here there's not really an option, but if you scroll to the bottom and click become a seller, here it says set up your seller profile on desktop to start selling. Now there is a way around this, and here's how you can do this. So first just go and open up your browser and just go and search for Fiverr. Now, once you search for Fiverr, here you will have these subcategories. The first one for me is become a seller. Now, if you don't have these subcategories, instead you can just search for Fiverr, become a seller. So go and click on this link, start selling on Fiverr, and it will open up the app. Now from here, go and click on become a seller. Now here click on continue, then click continue, continue. Now here enter your first and last name. Then your display name, you can upload a profile picture, then add a description about yourself. The minimum is 150 characters. Then here select which languages you speak. So for the language here, I'll select English. And then for the level, I'll say fluent. And then I'll add another one, which will be Dutch. And then here I will say native and click on add, and then go and click continue. Now here enter your professional info, so your occupation. Then here choose how long you've been doing this for. Then choose 2 to 5 of your best skills in video and animation. Then here in the skills section, add a skill. For example, I'll search video. And then it says YouTube video. Let's say I want to do that. And then experience, I'll say expert and click on add. Now you can add some more skills right here so that people will be able to find you for those skills. Now here you can add any education and certifications that may be relevant. You can also add a personal website with your portfolio, for example. I'll just click continue. Then here for your account security, add your phone number and email if you haven't done that yet. And then just go and click on continue and create your first gig in the bottom. Now here you will see this, so just go and click on create your first gig. And now from here, it is best to go and open up your desktop to actually create the gig. But now we have created our seller account. So now if you go to Fiverr, click on your profile in the bottom right. So now we have created our seller account from the Fiverr app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.